Okay, so I've removed the background image from the sequencer program just to show you how this background calibration tool will work. So what we can do is we can just select any old background image that we're interested in. I've got one on my desktop. That's this one here. So we can see that we get a preview of this. Now what we want to do is make sure that any of the squares within this image are one-to-one with the placement of the RFID readers underneath the actual projection surface. So to do that, we just got to run this background calibration script. So let's click on calibrate. And so that'll launch Pygame. Now the background, the display calibration was already run, so that's why it's already lined up perfectly with the actual surface itself. But you can just scale the background. So looks like the largest area that I can select here is a 2x2 grouping. So I'm going to hit 1 and then just grab from the top corner of this and then just grab, let's say that. Okay, so then that's going to automatically detect how many squares are inside the image, and it'll scale it so that we've got a one-to-one correspondence with the actual placement of the readers underneath the surface of the device. So I can hit S to save, and then that will save that configuration. Now, whenever I run the game, now this is running a completely different Python script. It's loading in those configuration files, and then we'll have the actual grid load up in a second here once it's done talking to Arduino, and so that's ready to go now. Anyway, that's how that works.